In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a component in Webflow, quick and easy. First, head to your Webflow account and open your Sites view. This is your starting point for accessing any project you want to edit. From there, click into your dashboard so you can see the list of sites and select the one you want to work on. Now, open the project in Webflow. You should see the option to open it directly in the designer. Once the project loads, make sure you're in design mode. This is where you'll manage elements on the canvas and in the Navigator. If the canvas looks busy, don't worry. We're going to use the Navigator to stay precise. Open the Navigator panel on the left. This shows a clean, hierarchical outline of your page, which makes selecting the exact component much easier than clicking around on the canvas. Start by selecting the highlighted top-level element so you know where you are in the structure, then drill down to the specific component you want to remove. For example, if you're cleaning up your layout, you might choose the footer. Click the footer, then its section to make sure you're targeting the outer wrapper and not just a single item inside it. If you're working with your site header, you might choose the Navbar. Again, use the highlights in the Navigator to zero in on the full component, not just a link or logo nested inside. A quick tip here. Watch the blue outline on the canvas as you hover in the Navigator. It's a visual confirmation that you've got the right element selected. With the correct component selected, click Delete. This removes the instance from your page instantly. If you see any onboarding or welcome prompt appear on screen, click. Get started to move past it so you can keep working without interruptions. After that, take a moment to select any remaining highlighted wrapper or duplicate instance of the same component if it still appears in the Navigator, and click Delete again. This ensures you've removed everything associated with that component and leaves your layout clean. That's it. You opened your site from the dashboard, entered the designer, used the Navigator to accurately target the component, like a footer section or a Navbar, and then deleted it. If you remove the wrong thing, remember you can undo right away. And as a best practice, double-check the Navigator after deleting to confirm your structure looks the way you expect. Thanks for watching. Now you know the quickest, cleanest way to delete a component in Webflow using